Hey, Fluttershy! Remember the last card. Fluttershy's knees buckled slightly. Her body wanted to orgasm so hard that she held it in. She squeezed her cock hard as if to keep her semen inside through sheer force.
It's an omen!
Just wait till I blow up!
According to well-known laws of aviation, there is no way that a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway, because bees don't care what humans think is impossible.
Where'd you find this gringo? The Mumford & Sons concert?
Shut up, nerd.
I know what you're thinking. I've known it since you tuned in. You're thinking. I've had it up to here with people thinking. Mamma mia!
I have a huge diarrhea. I really need to urinate.
Not a lot of
anime.
When he
Watch the anime.
bada boom, bada bing. From the
Basement
to the
convention.
get that
Anime.
bada bing, bada boom.
Anime collection.
Precedes you. Wait till you crack and see what we do. You weeb you. No pun intended. Takes one to know one will know. It's unscented.
Since when did Knuckles come out of the hood?